Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use snapHelper. So the result will be something like this. You see the last image there will be peeping. This is the recycler. So to help you achieve such look there. So with this other view peeping, a user is able to know that this is a scroll view and there's more content as they go that way or this way. Okay, so to achieve this, let's go to our Sketchware project. So go to the activity in which you have your recycler. Then we need the snapHelper library. Then go to this website. I'll leave it in the description. This is a Git repo where we have the GravitySnapHelper. This library is quite good, so just copy the dependency there, and we are going to download the library. Go back to your Sketchware project, go to local library, then here use D8. You can use DX if you want, and paste there, then hit start. The library is going to be downloaded, then you just need to enable it. So once you enable it, go back, then you're going to need one piece of code. We need to push or connect our snapHelper to our Recyclerview. So go to onCreate. So in onCreate, you're going to initialize your recycler, set a layout manager, and put content to the recycler from a list map or list string. Then we're going to add the magic, our snapHelper, just below our set custom view data. Paste the code, change Recyclerview 3 to name of your Recyclerview. So like this, we have attached the snapHelper.